Hello, hi everyone. Today we will review about fungi and microorganism or bacteria. So fungi, here we have the characteristic of fungi. The first one, fungi cannot make their own food. They are not kind of plants because they cannot make their own food. They do not have chlorophyll. They cause food to decay, so they will break down the food or decay food, and they reproduce from spores, or they produce spores for reproduction, not from seeds as plants. They grow slowly, they move in growing, but they cannot move about freely like plants. But one more time, fungi are not plants. So we will repeat one more time. The characteristic of fungi, the first one, they cannot make their own food. The second one, they grow from spores. Okay? And the third one, fungi feed on dead or dead or living things by decaying them. Fungi itself, they have different shapes and sizes. Some fungi are small and big, and some are edible, and some other fungi are inedible. Alright, now we have the examples of fungi here. We have yeast. We know yeast is used to make the bread fluffy. And then bracket fungi, mushrooms, juice ears, puffball, molds, and toadstools. Molds, this one will appear on the bread, on a slice of bread that is already expired, as we ever do in our experiment. Fungi are not plants, as I told you. They do not have green leaves that have chlorophyll to trap sunlight for making food. Fungi are not animals. They cannot move from one place to another by themselves. Besides, they will break down food into simple substances first before they absorb the nutrients. It means they feed from other things, dead or alive. Okay, so this is it. They feed on dead plants or animals because cause decay or dead matter and food. Fungi that feed on living plants or animals cause diseases. Next, this is it. The spores produced by fungi are light, so they can be easily blown away by the wind. Alright, now we will go to the microorganism. Microorganism, here we have bacteria. The example of bacteria are paramecium, amoeba, okay, euglena. You may check again in your brown book. We ever make a notes about that on that time. So, microorganism here, some are harmful because they cause diseases such as diarrhea and sore throat. But some of the bacteria, they are very useful because they make bread fluffy. This is the function of yeast. And they also turn milk into cheese and also turn milk into yogurt. One more thing, they help in human digestive system. They aid in our digestion. Bacteria cannot be seen with our naked eyes. We need something to help us to see the bacteria. The tool is the microscope. Right? Here are the example of microorganism. Microorganism examples are bacteria and yeast. This one, yeast, I highlighted it because yeast is not example of bacteria. Yeast is microorganism because it only can be seen under the microscope, but yet it is not example of bacteria. Alright? Yeast is a kind of fungi, while the example of bacteria itself is amoeba and paramecium. Right? So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and healthy, and God bless you. See you.